If your good mood is courtesy of coffee, then you need these simple ways to level up your coffee game. Creamy cappuccino at home requires a little bit of effort. Start with 10 spoons of coffee. Add 8 to 10 spoons of sugar. Now we'll add only a couple of spoons of water. Start whisking and keep going. This process takes a good few minutes and we highly recommend you use an electric whisk. But if not, then be prepared for a good arm workout. This can take up to 10 minutes. The color should become lighter and the mixture should hold its shape. This cappuccino mixture can be stored in the fridge for up to 10 days. To make the coffee, just heat up some milk and add 1 tablespoon of the mix to a cup. You can add more or less depending on how strong you want it. Now add in the hot milk, stir it up, and you've just made frothy, cafe-style cappuccino at home. If you only want 1 cup, you can take a spoon of coffee and some sugar and a couple of drops of milk or water. Stir it like crazy with a spoon till the color changes, and then add milk and you're all set. This method really enhances the taste of instant coffee with minimal effort. This cafe mocha is like chocolate's love letter to coffee. Start by making a legit hot chocolate, which can only be made by using real chocolate. No dusty powder mix will do. To hot milk, we'll add some chocolate and watch it melt till it's smooth and gorgeous. Now add some of your cappuccino mix into a mug and empty out your luscious hot chocolate into this. Then stir and sink into your comfiest chair to enjoy this rich, dreamy concoction. Popular in Vietnam, this unique coffee is made with egg yolks. First, we separate the whites from the yolks. Add some sugar. Yolks are buttery and make for a creamy coffee, so we'll whip these up until they form soft peaks. Now to sweeten this, we'll add a little bit of condensed milk and carefully fold it in. For our coffee, we'll boil some water and when hot, add in some instant coffee. Pour your black coffee into a mug. And then it's time to spoon in our egg mixture. Stir this through and enjoy. While unusual, this stuff is extremely delicious, decadent, and definitely worth a try. Now for a heady cup of spiced coffee. Start by boiling water. We'll add some fragrant cinnamon, some divine star anise, and some fresh citrusy orange peels. We let this boil until the color changes and the mixture smells amazing. Then we'll pour this out and add some of our instant coffee. If you like your coffee milky, go in with some milk or cream and the sweetener of your choice. Add a cinnamon stick for garnish and you're ready to relish your soothing spiced coffee. For a delicious vanilla flavor, start with some milk, to which we'll add some sugar and a splash of vanilla essence. Let this infuse in the milk. Then simply add some cappuccino mix to a cup and pour in the vanilla milk. Simple, tasty, and utterly delicious. Coffee is a simple everyday beverage that can be made special with just a little effort. Hope you'll try these recipes, and remember, a coffee a day keeps the grumpy away. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.